You search for how to buy shares of GH Research PLC, and in this short guide, I will show the practical steps. GH Research PLC is a clinical stage biotechnology firm listed on NASDAQ under the ticker GHRS, and this video is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. To trade, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you will normally verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can place a buy order. Use the platform search box and type the ticker GHRS to locate the company listing. Confirm you select GH Research PLC on NASDAQ to avoid similar names or symbols. On the stock page, check the company overview, recent news, and the price chart to confirm details about GH Research PLC. Verify the exchange shows NASDAQ and the ticker GHRS before proceeding. To buy, click Invest or Buy, enter the amount or number of shares you want, carefully review the order details, and then confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be queued until it reopens, and if there are insufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. Your position will appear in your portfolio once the trade executes or when the order fills. Check the video description for a link to eToro if you want to follow the same example.